Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome automatically save your passwords without asking every time. Let's make signing in a lot easier. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, and then on the left sidebar, click on Autofill and select Passwords. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says Offer to Save Passwords. Make sure this is turned on. Below that, make sure Auto Sign-In is also enabled. This allows Chrome to sign in automatically on sites where you've saved credentials without asking. Now, to save a password manually without the pop-up, here's what you can do. Go to the website where you want to save the login. Enter your username and password, and before you click Login, press Ctrl+S to save the page, or let Chrome prompt you again. If Chrome doesn't ask, try clearing cookies for that site. It may have been dismissed before. You can also manually add passwords in the Password Manager. Scroll down to Saved Passwords, click the Add button, if available, and enter the site, your username, and password. And here's a bonus tip. If you have a Google account, you can manage all your saved passwords at passwords.google.com. From here, you can add, remove, or update any credentials tied to your Chrome browser. And that's it. Now Chrome will autosave your passwords and sign you in more smoothly. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.